Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start using artificial intelligence with Microsoft Azure. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start using artificial intelligence with Microsoft Azure, first, create an Azure account. Visit the Microsoft Azure website and click on the Start Free button. Fill in the required information to set up your account. After creating your account, log into the Azure portal. In the Azure portal, navigate to the left-hand menu and select Create a Resource. In the search, choose a service that fits your needs, such as Azure Machine Learning or Cognitive Services. Once you select a service, click on the Create button. Fill in the required fields on the service configuration page. Choose your subscription, resource group, and region. Click Next to configure additional settings as needed. Review your configurations and click on the Create button to deploy the service. After the deployment is complete, navigate to the resource you just created. Explore the Azure documentation to understand the features and capabilities of the service. For machine learning, you can begin by creating a new workspace for your projects. Upload your data files to the workspace. Use Azure's built-in algorithms or create custom models for your machine learning projects. If using cognitive services, check the API keys and endpoint for integration. Test the AI services through the Azure portal to confirm everything is functioning. Start building your applications by integrating AI functionalities into your projects. Regularly monitor the performance of your AI models and services through the Azure portal. Make adjustments as necessary based on the insights gathered from performance metrics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.